Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Google Maps and signing in. This ties edits to your account so change is published correctly. Make sure location services are on, because accuracy depends on GPS or Wi-Fi. Once signed in, tap the menu or right-click the map to select Add a Missing Place or Drop a Pin. This is the first actionable step. You choose whether this is a business listing, landmark, or personal marker, which determines fields you must fill out next. You now supply the core details that make the location discoverable and trusted. Fill name, address, and select the most specific category. This affects search results and suggested routes. Next, add hours, phone, website, and upload clear photos. Reviewers use these to verify legitimacy. For precision, zoom in, switch to Street View, and drag the marker onto the building entrance. This reduces navigation errors. Once done, review every field, because inconsistent. You finish by submitting the place and following verification steps Google requires. Sometimes that means a postcard, phone call, or email. Claiming the place in Google My Business gives you control over hours, posts, and analytics. Do that if it's your business. If your submission is rejected or not visible, compare your entry to Google's place guidelines, correct mismatches in address or photos, and resubmit. One key troubleshooting tip: inconsistent NAP name, address, phone across sites causes rejection. Make them identical.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.